and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D1 chapter number 9, exercise 9A, that is about the ratio, rate, speed and time. In this class, students will be learning and discussing basic level question number 8. Let's first read the question carefully and understand the question. Question says that Amira, Higson and Priya make a total of 1530 twice. Total of 1530 twice. In the ratio 12 is to 16 is to 17. Find, the first part is the number of twice Higson makes, and the second part is the amount of money Priya earns if she is paid $1.65 for each toy. We'll be discussing the second part later. Let's come to the first part of the question. And the question says, Amira, Higson and Priya are making some toys. And the total of the toys is given here. And it's also given that in what ratio they are making the toys. So in the first part, we have to find the number of toys that the Higson is making. Okay, very easy question. What we have to do is that in order to find the number of toys that Higson is making, number of toys Higson is making makes, as in this question we are given with the total, so we have to see Amira has the part 12, Higson has the part 16 upon sum of the ratios 12 plus 16 plus 17 and multiplied by 1530. Now 6 and 2 is 8, 28 plus 17, 7, 7, 14 and 1, 15, 2, 1, 3, 45, 16 upon 45 multiplied by 1530. Now, which table? Table of 5 will be more suitable. Okay, 5 how many times? 5 9s are 45, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 0 and 5 6 times. Okay, and then again if I'm choosing table of 9, 9 1s are and 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 30, that 3 will be given to 6 and 9 4s are 36. So we will left with 16 multiplied by 34, 16 multiplied by 34. In these all questions, I'll try to perform the calculation mentally so that my students can get the idea that how easily we can perform these all calculations. 34 multiplied by 16, 6 4 times is 24, and I have to write 2 over here. 6 3s are 18 and 2 20, and this will go 1 4s are and 1 3s are, and this will give me 4 4 and 5. So 544 twice Higson is making. I hope you are really clear and you are observing this carefully, that how I am teaching you that how to perform the calculations so that you can easily perform your calculation in paper 1. And the second part says the amount of money Priya makes or Priya earns if she is paid for 1.65 for each toy. So we have to find the total amount earned by, the requirement is the total amount earned by, total earning of Priya. Okay, and for one toy she is paid, for one toy she is paid how much amount? 1.65. So first of all, we will be finding that how many toys she is making, and then we'll be finding that if for one toy she is getting $1.65, then for that number of toys, how much total amount she will be getting. So let's go for the solution. So first of all, we have to find the number of toys Priya makes. number of twice Priya makes will be equal to, now look, Amira, Higson and Priya. So Priya's share is 17 by sum of the ratios 12 plus 16 plus 17 and times 1530. And now look, this calculation is same, so I will not be struggling for that. Divided by 45, multiplied by 1530. Again, this calculation will be giving me the same answer. 5 9s are, 5 3s are, 0s are, and 5 6s are, and then 9 1s are, 9 3s are, 27, and 9 4s are, and 17 times 4, 34, 17 times 34. Again, we have to perform the calculation here. 34 multiplied by 17. 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, and 1 4s are and 1 3s are 8, 7, and 5. Let's check the calculation once again. 34 multiplied by 17, and this gives me 517 twice, 578 twice. So she's making 578 twice. Now we have to find that how much total amount she will be getting. So amount paid for one twice, amount paid for one twice is 1.65, and amount paid for 578 twice. Unitary method you can apply here, that 578 multiplied by 1.65. Yes. And now what we have to do is we have to multiply this quantity by 1.65, and this becomes 953.7, $953.7. So this is the total amount that she will be receiving for making 578 twice with the rate 1.65 per twice. I hope you are really clear about today's class. I'm going really slow because these are really important questions for my 6-7 students and the students of O1, O2 and O3. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.